TechWeb has an integrated appointment calendar. Just as in Alarm, when you have any scheduled event post automatically to the appointment calendar, the same is true in TechWeb, and that same listing of appointments in Alarm is what you'd be accessing in TechWeb. To access the appointment calendar, go to Main Menu and then Appointments, and you will see a monthly view of appointments. You can scroll backwards by month and forwards by month. And any date that has appointments behind it will be shaded in gray. Keep in mind that any event that you schedule in Alarm, such as creating a follow-up date on your support entries, or in creating a new service ticket, or even in the service reminders section of Alarm, those appointments will be accessible from the appointment calendar here in TechWeb as well. To look at a list of appointments for a date, click on that date, and you'll now see a list of appointments. Just like any list in TechWeb, you can click on the top column heading and it will sort by that column heading, and you can search. If the list is longer than what appears on one screen, you can search by that column as well. The column headings also allow you to change the sort order. Here, for example, time is sorted in ascending sort. We can click on it again, and now it changes to a descending mode. The appointment list can be restricted based upon the user who's logged into TechWeb. So, for example, this user could be restricted to looking at only their own appointments that they're scheduled for and nobody else's. You can also, of course, have the appointments so that you can see the entire company-wide appointment calendar as well. Based upon this user's access rights, you can insert a new appointment, change an existing appointment, or delete an appointment as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at this appointment here. And you see the date and time of the appointment, the account the appointment is associated with. You do not have to have an account associated with an appointment. You can just simply enter who the appointment is with, a description, time, telephone, town, and so forth. But if you do want to select from an account, you can click on the lookup button, and it will give you a list of your customers, and you simply click on the customer rather, click on select, and it will add that customer and phone number and town and street to this appointment for you. If the appointment is completed, you can click on the date lookup and then select what date this appointment was completed. You also can enter an entire note section if you need detailed information about this appointment. And then just like in Alarm, you have 5 fields that are definable by you. And based upon how those fields are configured, you will see those labels and that information appear here as well. Let's go ahead and add a new appointment to the calendar. So click on the appointment date, click on Insert. It'll fill in that date automatically for us. We can then put in a time. Again, we can either select from the list of customers or leave that area blank. Just put in anybody that we want to. Description could be a lunch meeting. Category would be lunch. And who the appointment is for. So you can put your user ID in here if you wish, or anybody else's. If there's a phone number associated with it. And town and so forth. Okay, and now that appointment gets added to the appointment list. As another example of how TechWeb's appointment calendar is integrated throughout TechWeb and Alarm, let's go in and create a support note for a customer. And let's say that this client is interested in signing a contract for an add-on to their existing system. So we can go into the support history and we'll create a new support note that specifies we spoke with this person and that on the 19th they want to go ahead and sign the contract. So save that on the 19th. And then we'll go to the appointment calendar. And as you'll see on the 19th, that appointment is now scheduled. And if we go ahead and click on change, we can see the notes about that they want to sign the contract, who it's assigned to, and so forth. If you want to then complete that appointment out once it's been done, just click on the date, save it, and now that is completed.